For those seeking a soundbar that delivers impressive audio performance without breaking the bank, the Vizio M-Series 5.1 Soundbar M51ax-J6 is an excellent option. Offering a blend of features, including Dolby Atmos and DTS, X compatibility, a dedicated center channel for clear dialogue, and a powerful wireless subwoofer, this soundbar delivers an immersive and engaging audio experience for your home theater setup. The sound quality of the Vizio M51ax-J6 is very good, especially for movies and games. The soundbar produces a balanced and neutral sound profile that can be adjusted with bass and treble controls, as well as 4 EQ presets: direct, movie, music, and game. The subwoofer adds a lot of punch and rumble to the low end, while the rear satellites provide clear and directional sound effects from behind. The soundbar also supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X content, which adds height and depth to the soundstage. However, the soundbar doesn't have upward-firing speakers, so the overhead effects are not very immersive. The soundbar also lacks a graphic EQ or room correction feature, which could improve the sound quality further. The M51ax-J6's 9 high-performance speakers, including front, center, and surround speakers, provide pristine clarity and rich sound for your favorite movies, music, and games. Dialogue is crisp and clear, while the surrounds effectively create a sense of immersion, particularly when watching action-packed movies or gaming. The soundbar comes with a wireless subwoofer and 2 rear satellites that create a convincing surround sound experience. While the 5-inch wireless subwoofer rocks the house with deep, heart-pounding bass that really booms, the rear satellites provide clear and directional sound effects from behind. A dedicated center channel is crucial for clear and intelligible dialogue, and the M51ax-J6's center speaker delivers this in spades. Voices are projected with precision and clarity, ensuring you don't miss a single word during even the most intense scenes. Dolby Atmos and DTS X content is brought to life with DTS Virtual X, creating floor-to-ceiling virtualized 3D audio and multi-dimensional effects no matter the content, room size, or shape. The Vizio M-Series 5.1 Soundbar M51ax-J6 is a versatile soundbar that can enhance your home theater experience for a variety of genres. It's great for watching movies, listening to music, and gaming. Its immersive sound quality, sleek design, and comprehensive connectivity make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to upgrade their home audio setup without breaking the bank. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe to the channel would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like the video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. The soundbar has a variety of connectivity options that allow you to connect different devices and sources. Here are some of the main ones. HDMI IRC. This is the HDMI output port that connects to your TV's HDMI ARC or IRC port. This allows you to send high-quality audio from your TV to the soundbar, as well as control the soundbar with your TV remote. It also supports video pass-through from the HDMI input port to the TV, which means you can connect a device like a Blu-ray player or a game console to the soundbar and watch it on your TV. HDMI input. Optical audio input. AUX and AUX-VA inputs. These are the 3.5mm audio input ports that connect to a device that has a 3.5mm audio output, such as a smartphone or a tablet. The AUX-VA port is specifically designed for voice assistant devices, such as an Amazon Echo or Echo Dot. This allows you to use voice commands to control the soundbar and other smart devices. USB port. Bluetooth. This is the wireless connection that allows you to pair your soundbar with a Bluetooth-enabled device, such as a smartphone or a tablet. This allows you to stream music from the device to the soundbar. The Vizio M51ax-J6 is a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly soundbar system that offers a lot of bang for the buck. It delivers a powerful and dynamic sound that can fill a large room with ease. It also supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X content, which enhances the surround sound experience. It has a sleek and simple design that fits well with most TVs and home decor. It also has a variety of inputs and outputs, as well as Bluetooth connectivity and voice assistant compatibility. However, it lacks some premium features, such as a graphic EQ, room correction, upward-firing speakers, or a built-in voice assistant. It also has a high latency when using the HDMI or optical inputs, which could cause audio sync issues with some TVs or devices. Overall, the Vizio M51ax-J6 is a solid soundbar system that offers excellent value for money. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.